Texas Police Department. What can I do for you?
I didn't call you guys. He stopped me because I didn't have a tag. But I was trying to let him know that I'm not a sovereign citizen of the of America. I'm a sovereign United States, and this vehicle is not a commercial vehicle, okay. A private vehicle. And right here, these are Supreme Court case laws where I have the right to travel, and I'm traveling with my daughter to go get something to eat. Okay. So with that being said, he's trying to say that I don't have a tag. I don't need a tag for a non-commercial vehicle. This is my private vehicle. I have private plates. Okay. And my proclamation and judicial notices are already sent to Kate Ivey and everybody else in the state of Alabama and the 8 branches of government. Okay. So this right here shows where I'm traveling. I don't need whatever he's asking me for. I don't need these Supreme Court law cases. Okay. And Constitution.
This, please. All right. So all this right here. Who issued you the tag? What was it issued from?
This is from my Moorish American consulate.
It was issued from who?
From my Moorish American consulate.
All right, so what form of government issues that?
This is a Moorish American form of government, consulate.
Okay, so not state government?
This is not, I'm not state property. Government? I'm not federal, I'm not state property.
Okay, so where did you obtain the tag?
What you mean? This is from our own consulate and our government. From our own government. As a private citizen. Okay. As a national.
Did you purchase it?
Yes, I purchased my tag. Yes.
So you purchased it?
Yes.
From?
Our Moorish American consulate.
Consulate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
These
are Supreme Court. Yes. But no, these are Supreme Court case laws that lets you know, just in case I have this type of situation, this is to show you guys that you can't stop me for what he asking me for.
Okay.
I've been driving to Alabama. I've been driving all across Alabama to Mobile to Georgia, and I've never got stopped. I had police officers behind me. They waved me off and everything. But today, this guy wanted to stop me.
Well, if they weren't doing their job, that's their fault, sir. But that is not a state-issue tag in the state of Alabama.
Well, Supreme Court laws trump states and federal, and plus Constitution laws trumps it.
1 second for me, please.
Well, I'm talking about the right to travel.
Okay, are you familiar with the state Supreme Court statute, Pennsylvania versus Mims?
Related to me.
Okay, Pennsylvania versus Mims is if a police officer asks you to step out of the car, you have to step out of the car on a traffic stop. Okay.
That's only if it's lawful. This is unlawful.
Okay, that is your opinion on the matter.
No, this is what it is. This is unlawful what you're doing. How you can't use one Supreme Court case against another to trump what you're trying to do. Okay. So what I'm telling you is that this is Supreme Court cases are right here.
All right, I'll gladly take a look at that.
Please take a look at that.
All right, the right to travel, the right are all absolute rights, and police not void the exercise of those rights. Okay, we're not voiding your exercise of those rights.
You are.
How?
You're stopping me.
Right. We're not voiding you of your rights. We're detaining you on a traffic stop.
But keep going. Keep reading another case law, and see if that applies to you.
I don't know if that's if those are official.
See how you try to make up things, and you just gave me a Supreme Court case yourself to benefit you? So you just tried to give me one, but you didn't want to take mine.
Okay, you're free to Google Pennsylvania versus Mims if you'd like.
Excuse me, you just gave me a Supreme Court case law of yours to benefit you, but these are Supreme Court case laws as well, and you don't want to accept that.
Well, I'm going to treat this like we treat every other traffic stop we ever get out on, okay? In the state of Alabama, you have to have a tag registered to your vehicle issued through the state. You have to have a driver's license issued by the state. You have to identify yourself on a traffic stop, a lawful stop, which this is for failure to have a tag on your vehicle. You have to identify yourself. So we need your name, date of birth, social, driver's license number. That's state law. Refusal of that, you will be arrested on those principles, because that's what state law is. We're not going to change anything because you have a print off some papers and a printed off tag. That doesn't change.
It's not a print off tag. I need to see your supervisor, my man.
He's got to pull up. But
Thank you, my man. Thank you.
You won't get a different answer.
Thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Are you a supervisor?
You doing okay?
Are you a supervisor?
I'm sorry?
Are you a supervisor?
Yes, I am. Sergeant Sprague.
How you doing, man? What's your name and badge number?
I'm sorry? Let me ask you this. My name's Sergeant Sprague.
Okay.
We don't do badge numbers, okay?
Okay.
Right, do you have any ID on you, man?
I don't have a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license at all?
No.
Okay.
I have a...
What do you have? We need to have some type of identification, okay? You need to give us a name or something. You made an infraction, so he's doing his duty, okay? You're driving on a public street, and he's doing his job, okay? So All I need you to do is cooperate, give us the identification. Okay, we can go from all that later. Okay, right now we're doing our job.
Okay, that's true. But, Sergeant, I haven't committed a crime for that. I haven't committed a crime for that, though.
I'm not saying you committed a crime. No, he got an infraction. He stopped you, so that's why we need your identification. Okay, and we're not gonna stay out here all day and negotiate in this heat.
It's not a negotiation.
Well, it's not a negotiation.
I'm just saying, though, I
understand
allow.
when you operate a car in the state of Alabama and you get pulled over, you have to put some identification out and let us know who you are. Okay. I don't know where you get all this from and all that, but
this is my.
I don't know where you're from and all that.
I'm from here.
Okay.
I'm an American.
That's
and I live in Tuscaloosa.
We got to have the identification, okay?
Sir, I didn't commit no crime
well,
or nothing.
That's not, we're not going to adjudicate that here. If you got to complain about the charge of a ticket, whatever, you go to court and handle that at court. You don't handle this on the street. We're not going to adjudicate this out here on the street, okay? It makes no sense.
Okay, but when I'm saying...
Hold tight. If you got a problem with the ticket or whatever he's telling you charged with, you go to court and you handle it appropriately, okay? You're no special than anybody else that's not driving a car here.
I'm not saying that.
If you violate the law, we have the right to pull you over.
I didn't violate anything. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand.
Up for the court. We can't handle that out here. The officer pulls you over for a reason.
Okay, but when I showed to him that you cannot give me a ticket to travel, I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
That's something you can need to take to court once you get your citation. If you want to challenge it in court, we're not going to challenge all that out here. We got a million things to do out here.
Of course.
All right, so you're taking up too much precious resources right now.
I'm not.
It is. Okay, if you got to complain about something, you take it to court, you contest the ticket. If you got to complain about an officer, you take it to me, okay? But we need to take care of our business right now because we got other calls we need to go to.
Okay.
So all I'm asking you to do, present some information and give it to us. Give me your name, driver's license, or give it something. We got to have it, okay?
I'm sure he gave me a Supreme Court law case.
Okay,
I gave him one back. Okay. So I'm trying to let him know if he can use that against me, why can I use it?
Okay, look,
and I'm traveling.
We're not going to negotiate.
But you got no idea what it's like being a black man facing down America. The only time black folks is safe is when white folks is disarmed. And this letter had the desired effect of disarming white folks.
Call it what you want. I call it a dirty fucking trick.
Truth be told,